This is a video design I'm working on that I want to add watermark to it. But you can add watermark to image design, whatever design you're working on. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add watermark using a video design. So I've finished editing my video. You can see my cuts here, and I want to add watermark to it. So what I'm going to do is to go over to text here. So the regular and the conventional way is just to add a text box and type in your text you want to be your watermark. But I'm not going to be going through this route. I'm going to take a different approach to this. So I will take this out. What I'm going to do is to scroll down here where we have the apps under the text. So I'm going to click on those apps. I'm going to type in the text I want to be the watermark, and for this is going to be the name of my YouTube channel. Here I'm going to go over to this part and pick a font I want to use. I'm just quickly going to search the font I want to use because I already know what the name of the font is. This is the font I want to use. I'm going to click on it. Once this is checked, let's go back. You see how it looks, the font I picked. And I'm going to choose the color of my text, but I'm just going to leave it on white as is. I'm going to go over to alignment and align it to the center. Let's come down. Under the effect, what I'm going to do is I want to change the extrude effect. I'm going to click on extrude color. I'm going to be picking black color or a lighter shade. You can see how the watermark looks from up here. I'm going to click on add to design. So why I chose this method is because this text that is added to this design, it's added as an image. So what I'm going to do, so I can reuse this text in all my designs. I don't have to come back and do this over and over again anytime I want to design. I'm going to click on these three dots and come down here where it says download selection. I'm going to download this on a transparent background and I'm going to click on download. It has downloaded and I'm going to go here. I want to upload it back in, so anytime I'm designing in Canva, I can have it in my design. So I'm just going to pull it in back. You see it's already here, but I'm going to delete this and go over to my upload to show you that it's on my upload. So we already have this text here. Anytime I want to add watermark to any design we're working on in Canva, we can just come to our upload under images and put this watermark. I'm going to collapse here. Now for this one, you can choose how you want the size to look like. If you go over to position, we'll see that it's positioned to the middle and to the center, which is perfect. Let me close this out. Now, I'm going to go over to transparency, and we're going to tune the transparency down to 5, depending on how visible you want the watermark to look like. So you can choose the level of transparency you want to give your watermark. If I click back into the watermark, I will go here where I can change it to be 10 if I really want it to be visible for people to see that I added watermark to my design. So this, I think, is perfect for me. What I'm going to do now, if you notice, it's only on the first page that is added to our design. I'm going to click on the watermark and click on these 3 dots and copy this watermark. And I'm going to come here and paste it. It will paste on the exact same position it is on this part, so that when we are playing it, it doesn't move. Since I copied this, it's going to paste on the same exact position. So I'm going to also do the same for here and paste it. Come here, right click, paste. I'm going to right click again and paste. Let's preview this video. Take a look, it did not move, so it's on the same position as it is in every part of your video. So be mindful how visible you want your watermark to look and control that with your transparency. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.